Good morning. Just wanted to share this little project I was working on. Me and my wife were going to stain our deck using some Thompsons Water Seal black walnut. I built a small floating deck last year. It's about 8 by 12 feet. I've always heard that you're supposed to wait a year whenever you're staining decking or fence board, so that's what I'm doing. I'm really interested to see how that stain is going to react with that wood. When I bought that wood, it was like a dark brown. Now it's like a real pale, ugly orange color. So I'm going to clear off the deck, give it a good sweeping with the corn broom, and then start applying the stain. Small finish with this deck. I put 2 coats of stain on yesterday. After the first coat, it looked a little streaky just because I used a brush. I think it looks great. Very simple fix. First time using that Thompson Water Seal. And I know I filmed a lot in the shade, but it just made more sense to do the work when the sun wasn't beating down on me. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching.